guys, welcome to Russia, and today I'm going to show you one of the flats. It's just one room. It's not one bedroom. In Russia we don't say one bedroom or two bedroom. It's just one room or two rooms. So if it's one room, it means it's just going to be a kitchen and living room, bedroom, so it's all together, but not studio. I'm going to show it to you. It's one of the types of old houses, and this is my friend's flat. They had old people living here before, and now they want to do remodeling. So I think maybe for you guys it would be interesting to know what the costs, kind of a little bit of remodeling. It's not going to be huge remodeling, just very little cosmetic, we call it. So we'll be changing the wallpapers, a little bit of painting around, changing the windows, and doing a little bit of ceiling. I think for you maybe it would be interesting how much it's going to cost. It's in my town, which is called Saratov. And this type of house is called Khrushchevka. So they were built during USSR times, while we had the leader of Communist Party, Khrushchev, he was. Okay, so I'm standing in a small hall. You can see this is actually its original doors, like I'm saying. It's not much was changed, but the last remodeling was here, I think, in about 90s. It was made in 90s, but with some original features, like the door. And so we do have, this is domophone, so okay, I can open the downstairs. Usually the houses were about 5-story houses, and not huge and quite small, so about 40 square meters. Okay, so you can see right when we're entering, there is a small, like a little wardrobe, which is built in, and this is what it looks like inside. You can see a little bit. This is all original, as you can see. This is probably the wallpapers from those old days. I can't tell you exactly Khrushchevki when exactly they were built. Maybe 60s, 70s, something, 80s, something like around that era. Okay, so this is very typical. You can see like a little wardrobe. Okay, so this is me. Hello. This is entrance. Well, that's the room. I'm going to show you in a minute. This is the entrance. It's a kitchen and bathroom. So we already started. I'm helping them because old people, and I'm trying to help them with a little bit remodeling. So we have this toilet and bathroom all together. It's quite dirty. I started already to clean, help them a little bit to prepare it. So hopefully we can get someone to repair the toilet. There is a hole there in the wall, but everything else, maybe the painting of the ceilings, okay, and painting of radiators. So we will see what they're going to do. I don't think they want to change the door. I think that's going to stay, but I think all the wallpapers are going to be changed. So here we're going into the kitchen. Again, this is typical small, I think it's about 9 or 8 square meters kitchen, and they want to change the cabinets, but not, I don't think they're going to change the tiles. They see quite a bit old. So this is really old. You see Saratov fridge, original, really old. So as you can see, it's not working right now. I think this is also they're going to leave. It was built in my town, and Saratov fridges, just like in airplanes, were the best ones. They're still working, so probably about 30 or 40 years old, but still working. So this is also built in, and we call it under window fridge. Okay, so because look at that, it's it has like a protection, and it's good for winter. Okay, lots of people keep here like the jars of cucumbers and vinegar, you know. So this is just more like a cooler. Okay, so also very original. Okay, so you can see it's like quite old and very original. This is not included, but it's very typical. Okay, so in summer it's not going to be very good use, but in winter it's cooling. So that's a little area for table. Well, the ceiling was done here. I think we're going to just wash it a little bit. So see another shelf out there. You can see the door stays, and this is old windows. We're going to change windows. I'll tell you the prices afterwards, how much it's going to cost to change it. It's the wooden right now, but it will be changed to plastic windows. Okay, so now we are going to the main room, which is here. Okay, so that's the room, which is also a bedroom. Okay, so that's the size. Okay, what we have here, sofa and wardrobe and chairs and table. So we're all gonna clean it all. I don't know what it's going to look like afterwards. Probably we'll be changing the wallpapers, but definitely going to change ceiling. Like we'll put the new ceiling completely, which also I'll show you afterwards what it's going to look like and how much it's going to cost. And all of this will be also changed for plastic. And we do have a small balcony right here. You can see. I don't think anything is going to be changed here. Like the new ones you see like in front of us. Quite a lot of people put glasses and make it like a small room, but I don't think they do really want to do anything like that. This all is also been here for a very long time, and it's probably going to be all changed. So that's a little bit view. You can see a small yard outside, pretty quiet. It's off the street. And you can see the buildings. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5-story buildings. These are all typical Khrushchevki called. So this area built up with these houses, Khrushchevki houses. So I thought some of you would be interested to have a look what it looks like. So lots of original features. Okay, like these windows, they're original from those old days. Okay, and we're going to make them a little bit more modern. Okay, well, somebody's calling. I'm going to open the door. That's all, guys. So I see you later, and bye, everyone.